Your phone is too small. Your laptop is too bulky. The tablet is supposed to be the perfect middle ground. But with Apple, Samsung, Google, and a dozen other brands screaming for your attention, how do you possibly choose? Do you go for the one with the best screen? The longest battery? Or the one that can truly replace your laptop? The wrong choice could cost you hundreds and leave you with a device you hate. After weeks of testing the latest models for power, display, and real-world use, we found 6 that are in a league of their own. And the one we crowned number 1, it's not the one you're probably thinking of. Starting at number 1. Apple iPad Air. Best overall. Equipped with Apple's M3 processor, the latest iPad Air delivers incredible performance in basically every scenario. Coupled with strong battery life and the premium yet lightweight design we've come to expect from the iPad Air, there's a lot to like here. With LCD rather than OLED and just a 60Hz refresh rate, the display might seem like a downside, but in day-to-day usage, it's still mightily impressive. Equipped with Apple's M3 processor, the latest iPad Air delivers incredible performance in basically every scenario. Coupled with strong battery life and the premium yet lightweight design we've come to expect from the iPad Air, there's a lot to like here. With LCD rather than OLED and just a 60Hz refresh rate, the display might seem like a downside, but in day-to-day usage, it's still mightily impressive. You will have to compromise in the charging department, though, while the lack of Face ID or any included accessories is frustrating. On the software side, iPadOS continues to offer the best user experience on any tablet, with loads of dedicated apps and prompt updates for years to come. Number 2. Xiaomi Pad 7. Best value. Don't want to pay high-end prices but still want a premium tablet? Go for the Xiaomi Pad 7, you won't be disappointed. For just £369 at launch, sadly unavailable in the US, you can get a high-end build, gorgeous 11-inch display and strong performance from the Snapdragon 870 chipset. Throw in solid battery life and decent charging speeds, and Xiaomi is onto a winner. While no accessories are included in the price, the keyboard cases, 2 to choose from, and Focus Pen stylus are all very impressive, too. The dimensions might be a few millimeters different from the Pad 6 here and there, but you'd struggle to choose between the 2 tablets in a lineup. Still, that's no bad thing as it means this is a stylish tablet with nothing short of a premium feel. From the front, the Pad 7 looks like most modern tablets, including Android, but with its 3:2 aspect ratio, it most closely resembles the iPad. On the back, however, it has a much more distinctive Xiaomi design. The aluminium rear cover comes in 3 colors, gray, blue and green, and the square camera module looks very similar to the Xiaomi 15 phone, giving a nice coherent look. Number 3. Apple iPad. Best value iPad. Even though there's plenty to be gained by spending a bit more to nab the iPad Air or the iPad Pro, it's incredible to see just how much value the base-level iPad A16 is able to bring to the table. For starters, when it comes to the core iPadOS experience, you're still getting access to the same great multitasking software iPad is known for, alongside top-tier apps that make it great not just for streaming and gaming, but also a spot of productivity, especially if you bring a keyboard into the mix. The new A16 chip also means that you're getting a decent processing bump over the previous entry-level iPad, although it's far from the lightning-fast speeds that you'll find on M-series iPads. Plus, the iPad A16 is now the only tablet in Apple's range that doesn't support Apple Intelligence. Number 4. Apple iPad Pro, M5. Best for creatives. If you want the absolute best tablet money can buy, it's probably the latest iPad Pro. But for most people, the upgrade compared to the iPad Air isn't enough to justify the higher price tag. Like the Air, the Pro is also available in 11 and 13-inch sizes. However, it's the move to OLED that sets the screens apart, delivering incredibly vibrant colors and deep blacks. You also get Apple's M5 chip, which delivers better performance than the vast majority of laptops. When combined with the Magic Keyboard and/or Apple Pencil, both sold separately, it's a brilliant tablet for creatives. But is that you? If not, you'll probably be just as happy with the Air or a MacBook if productivity is your top priority. At this price, it's simply not worth it for most people. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Best for TV and movies. The Galaxy Tab S11 is an underwhelming update, but it remains one of the finest tablets you can buy. The audio-visual experience is its key strength, with a gorgeous 11-inch display and stellar quad speakers. It's also more comfortable to hold and use than huge tablets like the Tab S11 Ultra, making it ideal for watching movies and TV while traveling. Strong performance from MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset means it can handle almost anything, though, including demanding gaming. The included S Pen stylus adds lots of extra versatility. Disappointing lack of upgrades aside, the Tab S11's main shortcomings are its relatively high price tag and lack of a charger in the box. If you're in the market for a great high-end Android tablet, neither of these should be deal breakers. Number 6. Apple iPad Mini. Best small. If you're in the market for a small tablet, there's still no better option than the iPad Mini 7. This latest 2024 model offers the familiar iPad experience we've grown accustomed to in a device with a compact 8.3-inch panel. The LED display itself is good, but nothing remarkable, offering a 1440p resolution but sticking at a 60 Hz refresh rate. But it excels elsewhere, with superb performance from Apple's S17 Pro chipset, brilliant build quality and the best tablet software around in iPad OS, especially with Apple Intelligence support now. Unlike most Apple devices, the iPad Mini doesn't include Face ID, persisting with Touch ID built into the power button. The bezels are also very chunky and charging is slow, though solid battery life helps soften the blow. Ultimately, the iPad Mini is only suitable for people who want a small tablet with a lot of power. If that's you, this is the best option on the market. So, there you have it. The path to your perfect tablet is now crystal clear. Whether you're an artist, a student, a professional, or just looking for the ultimate couch companion, one of these 6 tablets is your answer. Ready to make your choice? We've done all the hard work for you. All the direct links to these tablets, with the most up-to-date 2025 prices and exclusive deals, are listed for you in the video description below. If this review saved you from a costly mistake, please help us out, smash that like button, share this video with someone who's looking for a tablet, and subscribe because next week, we're exposing the one tablet accessory that is secretly draining your battery and slowing you down. You won't want to miss it.